Yeah, this is Metakit from Team Blizzard with another tutorial video. We're gonna go over finger waves. Awesome base trick. You're gonna use it in everything. Practice it every friggin' day, if you can. The basic trick is basic breakdown. You're gonna close and open each finger in succession. You're gonna take it, put your wrists together, close each finger one at a time, and then open it one at a time. So you can either do it one way, open, 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 the other way, whatever. But when you get that fluid, it's going to look something like this, which is a wave. If you can see that, it's a wave. From that, there are many different things you can do with that. You can do it 2 fingers at a time, starting with like your pinky, and then opening with your pinky, closing with your index first, opening with your index first. With that, it can look pretty decent. So opening and closing each finger, like index first, pinkies first. Can't really do that one. But like I said, that's the basic trick. All of it basically revolving. Open and close each finger, succession. Close, open. Speed it up. And that's the finger wave. This is Metakit from Team Blizzard, and I'll be posting more videos soon.